This is Bill and Mary from Worcester. They have 3 adult children and 5 grandchildren, so of course they're concerned about protecting their hard-earned savings and retirement and how to pass on some of their estate to the ones they love. Like most people, they have been too busy to review or put together a solid retirement and estate plan. But now with retirement looming and thinking about the future of their beautiful children and grandchildren, they realize they can't put it off any longer. And Mary is especially worried because her best friend Michelle's husband just died unexpectedly without leaving a will or any kind of estate plan. Many of their assets were solely in her husband's name, leaving Michelle dealing with the burden and expense of probate court. Michelle told Mary that because they didn't prepare properly, she may be forced to put off her retirement or even sell the family home. Mary doesn't want this to happen to them, so she told Bill that they needed to do something about it now. They decided to meet with the law office of Michael Reed and Matthew Jodrey to get their estate plan in order. The law firm was not only able to show Mary and Bill how to prevent what had happened to Michelle from happening to them, but also raised issues that Bill and Mary hadn't considered, like, do they have healthcare proxies? What if Mary was in an accident and not able to make her own decisions? Would Bill be able to make medical decisions on her behalf? Have they set up durable power of attorney so that Henry would be able to refinance the house to pay the medical bills? He also discussed how through a revocable family trust, the estate plan could be executed without unnecessary court costs and legal fees, and protect the money and estate designated for the children and grandchildren. As part of the estate plan, they also discussed how life insurance policies might be a way to deal with any debt or loss of income. And lastly, for about the cost of a cup of coffee a day, they discussed how they could provide their grandchildren money for college, a down payment on a home, and even a comfortable retirement for each of them. Bill and Mary now rest easy knowing they've protected each other if one of them is ill or dies, and have protected their children and grandchildren through a proper estate plan should something happen to both of them. And the law office of Michael Reed and Matthew Jodrey made the process easy to understand. It was so easy, they realized they should have done this a long time ago and had peace of mind sooner, which inspired them to introduce their children to the law firm as well. Contact the law office of Michael Reed and Matthew Jodrey today to learn about the different estate planning documents and devise a plan that works best for you.